Okay, children, the next heading is estimation. I think already you have learnt estimation in 5th standard, right? You will round off the number, no, like 49 if you are round off, the answer is 50. Yes, 12 if you round off, the answer is 10. Yes, so again we are going to do the same thing, but here we are going to estimate the numbers by using the place values. Okay, according to the place values you need to estimate the number. I will show by using this example. Okay, so estimation or round off a numbers. Okay, the example is a round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. First you want to round off the number to the nearest tens, after that you want to round off to the nearest hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000, after that you want to round off to the lakhs. Okay, so this is very easy. Okay, dear children, do you remember about this? If the numbers are less than 5, you don't want to add any number, you want to make all the remaining numbers as 0, then previous number you want to write as such. If it is above 5, what do you want to do? You want to add 1 with the nearest number, then you have to estimate it. Yes, do you remember that above 5 and below 5? Yes, now I will show this examples, then you will understand. Okay, now here the given number is 73 lakhs 489. So I will show all these answers one by one. Okay, so estimate to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. The given number is 73 lakhs 43,489. Okay, so the first one is tens. So I will show you 73 lakhs 43,489. Now the answer. Okay, so before going to round off the numbers, first you want to check the place value of tens, because you should estimate to the nearest tens. Okay, so let's start counting the place values. Once, after that what is here? Tens. What is that? Tens. Here it is tens. Okay, so you just do underline like this, then only you will get some idea. Okay, so here this is tens. So whenever you are doing underline, check the nearest number. Check the nearest next number. What is the nearest number? 9. 9 is above 5 or below 5? Greater than 5 or smaller than 5? 9 is greater than 5. So what do you want to do now? You want to add 1 here. Add 1 here, and this number you want to write it as 0. So estimation is nothing but the number must be end with 0. That is the most important thing. Okay, so all other numbers you want to write as such. See, 73 lakhs 43,400. Here 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then this number should be zeros. After you did the estimation, the next number should be 0. Okay, this is for all the sum. If you add or if you leave as such, you want to write that place value, then the next place value should be 0. I will show you. I will show this one, then you will get idea. 73 lakhs 43,489. Okay, so you want to estimate to the nearest hundreds. So start counting the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. So here it is. Okay, if you underline this one, what do you want to check? Check the next number. Check the next number. What is the next number? 8. 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. So what do you want to do? You want to add 1 with this 4. Okay, then all the remaining numbers are 0 in this side. Okay, I will write 73 lakhs 43,000. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Then the remaining numbers are 0. So 489 can be estimated as 500. You understood now? 489 can estimated as 500. Okay. Next one is you want to estimate to the nearest thousands. Nearest thousands. So start counting. Ones, tens, hundreds. This is what? Thousands. So after underline, you just check the next number. 4. 4 is above 5 or below 5? It is below 5. So you should not add 1 here. Okay. If it is above 5, then only you should add here. Okay. So 4 is less than 5. So you don't want to add anything. Simply you want to write like this. Listen carefully. 73 lakhs 43 1000. Okay, after the underline, what I said, you want to write all the numbers as 0. So write 3 zeros. Okay, now 43,489 can be estimated as just 43,000. Understood? Yes. Next one, you want to estimate to the nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Here it is 10,000. So after underline, you want to check the next number. The next number is less than 5. Next number is less than 5. So what do you want to do? You don't want to add anything. Okay, if it is greater than 5, you want to add 1 here. If it is less than 5, you don't want to add. If suppose equal to 5, you should add 1. Okay, so now 73 lakhs 4. After that, all the numbers are 0. So the answer is 73 lakhs 40,000. 73 lakhs 40,000. Understood? So the next one, 73 lakhs 43,489. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Here it is lakhs. After the lakhs, what is that number? 4. 4 is less than 5. Less than 5. So I should not add here. I want to write the 3 as such. So the answer is 73 lakhs. After the underline, all the numbers should be 0, no? So the answer is 73 lakhs. Okay. Dear children, do you understand everything? First you just do the underline like this, then you will get idea. Okay, you won't get any confusion if you are doing with underline like this. Okay, that underline and all, do it in pencil. That +1 also write it in pencil. This is just for your reference. Okay, so this kind of sum they have given as an example. I will give the examples as a homework. You want to copy. Okay, you must do it. Send me the answers, but for copying, no, you have some tabular column, but you don't want to write the tabular column. You can write your own answers. Okay, I will give the questions as your homework. Okay.